And what's going on? We're back again. I'm Corey Norris. Thank you for visiting my page. And real quick, I'm going to keep this video in a mild to temperate length of time so that I know you guys probably got something to get to. But just want to run through some new members updates and testimonials for September. It's the first week of September, and we've already been rolling and kicking it inside of the Proof Group. Members are closing sales. Members are inviting people to the group so that way they can see other members that's having great success with this opportunity. And September 4th, just a couple days ago, IPS Works Friends Stay Hungry. So congratulations to you. Michael Smith made a $600 payment. Now, with Infinity Processing System is a online training course that teaches you attraction marketing, teaches you how to attract the perfect client to you so you don't have to do all the selling and telling. What they offer is a done-for-you website, direct payments, meaning you get paid directly to you. There's no middleman. There's no waiting on someone to pay out your cash to you. You got paid directly, 100% of his commissions off of his effort. Now, what that consists of is going through the training in the back office, posting the pre-written ads, using the email follow-up that they give you, and staying active in the group and in the back office training, so that way you fully understand how to do attraction marketing. This is a one-time payment, no monthly fees after that. You pay one payment, you join in at one of the premium levels that you want to get started at, and they build you your own website. You get the resellers rights on this, so you can start promoting this opportunity. It kind of gives you a leg up on having a digital product to be able to promote and be able to earn 100% commissions directly to you, whether it be Cash App, Stripe, Venmos, PayPal, and that such matter. We're using the training in the back office. Our members have having great success with people being attracted to their opportunity. You see here, Patty Bell says, "Hi, IPS team. Help me welcome Angel McKenzie to the group using the simple strategies in the back office that they teach you." Mr. James Famba, big up to you, Mr. Top contender. He's also inviting people into the Proof Group. Here I am. I'm a top contender now. Yay. I didn't bet. I'm a top contender. Anywho, welcome Patty Lamar into the Proof Group so she can have access to seeing all how this wonderful opportunity has helped a lot of people get started with an online business and help them in their existing businesses to be able to attract the perfect client and customer to them. Now, I have the link to this down in the description. If you want to check out how IPS work and how you can start making from $300 to $50 direct payments, Cash App, Zelle, Venmos, PayPal, the link is in the description. So when you get started, you'll get access to a back office like this. Come to the Get Started page here. Join our coaching group. So this way you don't feel left out. You don't feel left behind. Join our Proof Group. So this way you have a guaranteed strategy to be able to attract those perfect clients and the perfect customers to you. And this is just so filled with so much valuable content in here. This was put together by a six-figure earner, and this is her, Adriana Vegas, and she's been doing affiliate marketing for well over 6 years. She's put everything, all her knowledge into this system to teach you and guide you on how to do attraction marketing. If you want to learn more and know more and grow in an online business, I think Infinity Processing System is one of the best out there as far as training and as an online course, and that they also give you the reseller's right to make 100% commissions off the course. When you join in, you'll pay a $39 admin fee, and they're gonna build you a branded website. I have the link to this in the description below. It's gonna bring you to this website and give you a picture, a whole paragraph overview of what this is and how it can help you, how it helped me. They break down contacts through social media. Now, how does this work? With Infinity Process System, you get started, join one of the levels to get access to your products and your step-by-step digital training. We show you exactly where to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer and start collecting 100% daily commission straight to your account. Now, these ads are highly susceptible. They're very engaging. They're not meant to close the sale, but to attract that client to you, and then we'll move you over to the messenger. It teaches a sales script in the back office. Let me see right here where someone asked it for your information. A six-figure closing script, so you know exactly what to say to the prospects that come to you, and you can turn them into paying customers. And just real quick, this would be the product levels, would be your six-figure blueprint, would be your intro to automated secrets. Influence brand and marketing is $50 with the $39 admin fee for your web page, and to be able to have your resellers rights. This is $150 with the $39 admin fee. It's going to get you your web page and be able to earn not just $150 but also $50 in 100% commissions. And it's highly recommended. The six-figure blueprint is $300 with $39 admin fee, and you'll be able to earn all the way across the board from the 50, the 150, and the 300 directly to you, how you want to get paid. If you're still here, I'm going to give an action taker bonus, and if you seem like this is something for you and a good fit, the link is in the bottom of the description. But if you join within this month of September at the $300 level, I am going to pay that $39 admin fee for your website, and I'm also going to pay for 100 eyeballs to see your website. So that's 100 leads to start off with to start advertising. When you get those leads, you're going to come into your back office. Let me close this down real quick. Close this down. You're going to come into your back office, and here at the $300 level, you have a 30-day email follow-up. So you're going to add that sequence in. Once that sequence is in, up and running, you're going to have more susceptibility to be able to get paid through the offer, following all the instructions and training in the back office. Not just that, but you do have me to have a little bit of support. If you need any help, any questions, you can always contact with me. I'm going to put my Facebook contact down in the bottom of the description as well. Contact me through Facebook, and I'm more than willing to help and learn and meet new people. That's what I'm really here for, to meet new people and help as many people start a at-home based online business. Now, once you learn these skills, you take these skills and you apply it to different opportunities and different businesses to be able to Stackhouse and earn even more money online. We'll do a different video on that if you guys like. So please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Remember, the link to this is in the description. And to your success, I'll get with you guys a little later. I'm out of here.